My name is Jesse Harrington. I live in Vancouver, Washington. I got a family of 5, 3 kids and a lovely wife and a dog and cat. And I work at Clark Public Utilities. I'm a senior customer service rep there, and I've been there for about 20 years. Yeah, we have some extreme temperatures here where temperatures were in the 20s and 30s, and sometimes the teens during like maybe 1 or 2 weeks. And so that's can be really difficult when we don't have a good heating system. Because our previous heating system, it would freeze over. So it would start up for a little bit and then it would freeze and no heat would come on. And when we have a wife with the 3 kids, you know, you gotta have the heat. So that's pretty extreme. My work was involved in the HERE program, Clark Public Utilities. When I learned about it, our program had already ended up completing, but I went on the website that I guess we were working with and went through the state that way and was able to apply and get approved. Actually got approved the next day. I sent out an email to 3 different contractors. Within the first day, someone came over to my house, actually. It's kind of funny. I was like, hey, someone's coming by already to take a look at our system. And they came out, and within 2 days after that, she said we got approved for a new heat pump, and she gave me all the details. I was really impressed. Even though it was halfway through the cycle when we got my next electric bill, the electric bill went from $300 down to $182. Which was really impressive, yeah.
The full name of the program is the State Home Electrification and Appliance Rebates Program. It was funded in 2023 by the state legislature. There was about $80 million available for Commerce to award grants to third-party entities. This can include cities, counties, nonprofits, for them to provide rebates to households and small businesses and adult family homes as well, for them to install high-efficiency electric equipment in their homes and buildings and places of business.
我叫阿赫利，我是原来在 GE 做软件工程师，现在呢就是在自己创业。我是在2007年搬到这里。 这里呢是西雅图的东区，也是很多高科技公司聚集的地方。西雅图这个天气呢真的是很潮湿，冬天出去运动的时候，我就觉得哦，这里这么湿，很容易对那个脾胃啊产生不好的影响。2009年我们搬到这个房子的时候，是用 baseball 就是电热取暖器的，但是我们发现电热取暖器呢。 有点问题，就是首先它加热不均匀，就是一个区域暖，一个区域还挺冷的。早上起来的时候，然后下来厨房这边也觉得到处都很冷，然后要过好一段时间才暖起来。另外一个更重要的问题就是说，它的湿气走不出去，待久了觉得挺闷的。这个项目呢，最开始是我太太的好朋友陈琼介绍给我们的。我们1月初递了申请表。 这个申请表呢，比我们想象的要简单很多，我们大概就花了10几分钟就填完了，然后整个申请过程也很顺利。在年初3的时候，然后我们就有一个很新的暖气系统，让我们的那个新年气氛又更多了一些喜庆的气氛。从年初3之后，我觉得是有了巨大的提升。首先呢，就是说整个系统呢，对我们的室内的温度啊。 更加均衡，更加保持一致。然后我觉得大家的身体都好了，而且它的湿度也都能够保持在30%左右。是 heat pump 的 indoor unit， 它可以将外面加热了的制冷剂吹到各个房间。而且呢，我们这个 heat pump 系统呢还装了一个 HRV， 而且它在带进新鲜空气的时候呢，还可以将外面的冷空气加热，因为里面的 暖空气出去的时候，他们进行了一个热交换，所以很节省能源。这就是我们新装的一个洗干一体的机器。装了这个之后呢，我们就觉得很方便。晚上将衣服放进去，第2天它就洗完干完了。最主要呢，它还非常的省电。它采用的也是 heat pump 的原理来产生热。在心理上，我们也觉得非常的高兴。 对我们的电费也是一个很大的节省。比如说，我们以前要花3块5的，我们现在可能花1块钱就够了。
And one of the biggest things that we've seen is you have to make the benefits tangible to people. And a lot of times when you look at decarbonizing people's homes, if you're able to help them get over that one step, if they can get their panels, if they can get new appliances in, everything else becomes easier as well. It's that first step. So by having state grant programs administered through Commerce, partnering with the federal dollars that we have as well, you can create that influence out in the communities.
My name is Winston Lee. I'm the current president of the Unite Hub. For Unite Hub, our mission is to try to serve all the marginalized and underserved communities, especially focused on Asia. However, for the HAIR program, actually we focus on all the communities. This is a great program and exactly right timing. This actually help a lot of the household on the energy bills and also upgrade their appliance. In fact, not only our community, the whole state or even above the state federal level, all the household can take advantage of this program and make their life better.
My name is Lily, and I am the program manager for United Hub. My responsibility as a program manager for HERE program is to work with the client and also process their submissions. For residential, we will verify their income levels to see if they have qualified equipment that need to be replaced. And for adult family home, we will check their license, making sure they're eligible.
My responsibilities currently is to lead an organization of members of adult family homes. We have about 5,100 adult family homes in the state of Washington, and we currently represent 2,600 adult family homes.
This is Cougar Crest Family Home. We've been open for 3.5 years, and then we are licensed for 6 residents. Currently we are 4, and come, let's show you around the house. This is the common area. This is where we live our life. This is where we spend our days.
Cougar Crest Family Home has been in operation since 2022. So we are relatively new, but we have seen it all from different challenges that we have with the elderly, but we provide compassionate care in a very loving and caring environment. Safe, very beautiful neighborhood. When I saw the posting, I read about it on our Adult Family Home Council website, and then I did the application right from that website. I feel very energized and awesome about looking forward to starting to use the unit and see. I've read quite a bit about it, and I know the unit we got is quite a high efficiency one.
So it does have 0 emissions. There's no gas, there's no fumes. It is way more cost effective than a gas furnace or most electrical air handlers.
It's going to help improve the heating and cooling of the house, and so they will definitely benefit from that. And in the long term also, we can see a reduction in our energy bill. And I'm very excited that we're also beneficiaries of the HERE program, the United Hub HERE program.
I think the most rewarding part of my work is I know that I'm making an impact for people's life. When they send me emails showing their appreciation and how they enjoy their new equipment and they've been wanting it for so long, it really makes me feel my value for this job.
Especially when we receive some thanks letter or appreciation, they said this program makes big change in their lives even. So that's made us feel so happy because that we made that happen.
It was interesting to see how many people were so interested in what Washington State was doing. We were going to set a path for the world to follow for us to be able to actually decarbonize in this space.